Hello dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. Now in this lecture I guide you what is the ChatGPT. Let's find out ChatGPT. ChatGPT, when click here on ChatGPT, it's show the first website OpenAI. The OpenAI is the software website which have developed ChatGPT. ChatGPT optimized language model for dialogue. It is conversations, content writing, code writing, AI-based software which change the life of people. We have trained model called ChatGPT which interact to interway dialogue format make it possible to answer follow-up questions. It's help you to answer the questions, different kind of questions, any query related your mind, they give you answer these questions. Let's try. When click here on, it's show here examples of ChatGPT. It is the artificial intelligence software app which help people to writing blogs, coding, different software codes. Any questions related come your mind, you can ask here. They help you and quickly answer with help artificial intelligence. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.